Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today is the day that I picked the winner of the 9,000 views yarn giveaway. I wanted to thank everyone who entered the giveaway. I did read each and every comment and they truly uplifted my spirits. There were many common themes in these comments. People are thankful for their family, friends, faith, fur babies, health, and each day that they are here. To those that have overcome health issues for themselves or their family members, I'm sending out positive vibes to all of you. A couple people asked me about my fur babies. They are Multi-Poos and are my companions when I crochet. My channel is named after them. They are the gems in Epic Yarn Gems. Their names are Diamond and Emerald. I was also asked, what am I thankful for? I'm thankful for every day that I'm with those that I love. So without any further ado, I'm going to announce the winner. I used a YouTube random comment selector, and the winner is Jeannie's Creations. Congratulations, Jeannie. If you would please send me your mailing address to epicyarngems@gmail.com, I will get your yarn out to you. I'll also put my email address down in the description so that you have it. I will hold this prize for 30 days from today, and if it goes unclaimed, I will pick another winner. If you didn't win, never fear. I have passed 500 subscribers and 10,000 views. So I will be doing 2 more giveaways in the next week or so. So please watch for those. Thank you all for the love and support of my little channel, and I hope you enjoy the crochet how-to videos that I have created. Take care.